Hey guys, Josh here, and today I want to provide you with the links that you're going to need to make 2018 the most successful year you've ever had, as well as a review of Kevin David's Amazon course and Shopify course. So for those that don't know, Kevin David is an entrepreneur. He had that 9-to-5 corporate job as an accountant, and he was tired of all those hours every week, and he wanted a better life for himself. So he invested thousands and thousands of dollars and made mistakes and learned them the hard way. And eventually he became a multi-millionaire, and now he's selling his course for an amazing price. And I want people to know about it because it's helped me out, and I want to provide this information in my first video. Although this channel will be mostly for golf instruction. On Tuesday, every Tuesday I'll upload golf instruction videos, and every Sunday I'll be providing just kind of a random helpful video that may not be involved with golfing. And so, to be more specific, with Kevin David's course, he really makes it idiot-proof. He makes it step by step, and it's really, I think, fail-proof. If you know how to spell your name right and Google stuff, you're gonna do really well. He provides, I think, my favorite part about it and the value behind it is he gives information that only the top 1, 2, or 3% of entrepreneurs know about, and you have just free downloads once you get the course. And he gives you 41% commissions if you feel like doing any affiliate marketing and helping his message get out. And I'm also on I think the second link below, I'm going to be providing you, again, a link where you can reach people on YouTube guaranteed and get some traction on your YouTube channel. I know that for the initial viewers, that's going to be kind of funny because there won't be a whole lot of views and it's my first video. But I promise that link will help you get a few thousand views to get your whatever message you want to get out. And so feel free, if you appreciate this message and if you want to support the channel, just subscribe below, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.